Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Google Meet. You click on Settings. Here we go to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. In this list, you will search about Google Meet and we click here in this page. Then we click on First Stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you'll turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.